hacer with Dafne. And we're going to make that thing.
Brownies.
Let's make brownies. Well, we need some cheese.
So what do you have there? This is butter.
Butter. Yes, that's butter.
So you have to put the water.
Water. Yes, water.
And the egg.
And egg.
You need help?
Yes, I have. But I got something right here. I got that thing for open the egg. For open the egg, you need to put it a little bit close for the egg. It's breaking the egg. One more time.
Now with your hand.
Oops, sorry, my hand has got eggs. And so cute inside. Now I need to clean this egg. For my hands. Well, let's try it again. Let's nice to it with the kids. Now we need that thing. Uh-oh.
No.
Oops, I said already.
Yeah, okay.
Now I need to make one and the egg. Sorry, I meant to get it up. Oops. Again. Wow, it's turning a little bit complicated.
Now what do you have to do?
Now we need to put that
Slowly.
slowly. We need to put
Yeah, a little bit first and then more.
it up. It's close. Oh, thank you, Mom. A little bit. I put a little bit, not a more. More, Mom. Good. Let's put a lot of that. Uh-oh, it's a little bit more. I put a lot of that. Next time I need to put a little bit. Well, let's try. Tomorrow make some cookies.
Tomorrow you're gonna make some cookies.
Yes. Now this is turning brown. Now we need to make this a little bit more with cheese. The cheese is not close. Look, the cheese.
So now put all the brown.
All the brown? Good. All the brown we need. For that. Uh-oh. A little bit. Uh-oh. Kids, tomorrow we can make it a little bit and say your parents to fix that. Let's make some of that. What do you say, kids? Eat it and see, taste it. Do you like it? Good. You need to wait a moment and then finish with that. Look,
Okay, that's it.
the chocolate is ready. Now to make it more. Bienvenidos a otra vez. Pues más hacer la pastelada. Pues usamos esa cosa para comitando esto. Aquí está el miel de chocolate, chicas. Con esa cantidad pronto de la cuchara. Ya está lista para meter en el horno. Ya casi lo vas a meter en el horno. 30 minutos. 30 minutos.
¿Cuántos minutos? How many minutes? 30.
Yes, very often. Well, also there's a little bit more kids. But watch out with the hot kids. See, parents can help with the...
You taste it?
Yes, and that was good. Kids, try it. Try it and see. Kids, now we need to put it in the oven. I need to run that.